Okay guys, so quick video update just regarding CloudToken. We were out there, well, we just had 2 weeks in Tenerife, had a fabulous time. And the great thing about the CloudToken business, it works 24/7. It's total passive income. Now the beautiful thing is there's nothing to buy here, nothing to sell, and there's no investment. And yet we've got members making anything from $100 per day to in excess of $100,000 per day. Sounds too good to be true. How is that possible? Okay, so we haven't got enough time on this video, so literally wherever you're seeing this in the internet, if you want more time, freedom and money to enjoy the life where you can make literally money while you sleep, okay, 24/7, we're talking 7 days per week, Saturday, Sunday, Christmas Day, the money just keeps coming in, then just leave me a comment wherever you're seeing this out there on the internet, you know, or get back to the person who shared this video with you, because seriously, CloudToken, in 22 years, I've been full-time marketing since 1997. I was online in 1995. I was making a full-time income since 1997. I've never seen anything so simple where there's no investment, nothing to buy, nothing to sell, and yet we've got people making money every single day. Think about the power of that. So guys, wherever you're seeing this, comment info now and take action. God bless you and follow your dreams.